Your neighbor just hit 250,000 miles on their 2008 Lexus ES. Meanwhile, you're stressing about hitting 100,000 on yours. What's their secret? Here's the truth. Lexus builds some of the most reliable luxury engines on the planet, but even the best engine won't make it without the right care. I've been working on Lexus vehicles for over 15 years, and I've seen LS sedans cruise past 400,000 miles like it's nothing. I've also seen $80,000 GX models need engine rebuilds at 150,000 miles. The difference? The owners who follow these 14 maintenance secrets. No expensive dealer tricks, no fancy tools, just proven strategies that keep your Lexus running smooth, quiet, and reliable for decades. Stick around, because these tips will save you thousands in repairs and keep your luxury ride feeling like new. Let's dive in. Number 1. Engine oil. The 5,000-mile rule. Here's where most Lexus owners mess up big time. Your owner's manual says 10,000 miles between oil changes. Lexus even gives you a maintenance schedule that stretches it that far. But here's what they don't tell you. That interval is designed for perfect conditions. Highway driving, moderate climate, no stop-and-go traffic. Real life is different. I've torn apart engines that followed the 10,000-mile schedule religiously. Sludge buildup, worn timing chains, oil pump failures, all because the oil broke down long before that 10,000-mile mark. Here's my rule. Change your oil every 5,000 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first. Why 5,000? Because Lexus engines run tight tolerances. The 2GRF EV6 in your ES or GS. It needs clean oil to keep those variable valve timing systems working smoothly. The 1URF EV8 in your LS or LX. Those timing chains depend on proper oil pressure and lubrication, and always change the oil filter with the oil. I see people try to save $15 by reusing a dirty filter. That's like drinking clean water through a dirty sponge. Makes no sense. Use full synthetic oil that meets APISP standards. Mobil 1, Castrol GTX, or genuine Lexus oil all work perfectly. Expect to spend $60 to $80 for a complete change, but compare that to a $6,000 engine replacement. Do this religiously, and your Lexus engine will reward you with smooth, quiet operation well past 300,000 miles. Number 2. Transmission fluid, the forgotten lifeline. Let's talk about something most Lexus owners completely ignore until it's too late. Transmission fluid. Lexus calls their ATF lifetime fluid, but that's marketing speak. What they really mean is, it'll last through your warranty period. We're shooting for 300,000 miles, not 100,000. Here's the real schedule. For non-hybrid Lexus models, change the transmission fluid every 60,000 miles. For hybrids like the RX 450h or ES 300h, you can stretch it to 80,000 miles because the electric motor reduces transmission stress. But here's the key. Never flush it. Always do a simple drain and fill. Why? Because your transmission has clutches that wear over time, creating tiny metal particles. A little bit of that debris actually helps the clutch's grip, but flush out everything too aggressively, and suddenly your transmission starts slipping. Always use genuine Lexus WS transmission fluid. I've seen aftermarket fluids cause shifting problems in the 8-speed automatics found in newer GS and LS models. The savings aren't worth the risk. And for you hybrid owners, don't forget the transaxle fluid. Same principle applies. That electric motor cooling system depends on clean fluid to prevent overheating. A drain and fill costs about $150. A new transmission? Try $5,000. Number 3. Coolant, the 50,000-mile refresh. Your Lexus cooling system is more complex than most cars. You've got the main engine coolant, but many models also have separate cooling loops for the transmission, hybrid inverter, and even the air conditioning compressor. Here's what kills Lexus engines. Old coolant turning acidic. After 5 years or 50,000 miles, that pink super long life coolant starts breaking down. It becomes corrosive, eating away at gaskets, water pump seals, and aluminum components. I've seen this destroy water pumps in RX models around 80,000 miles. The acid corrodes the pump seal, coolant leaks into the timing chain area, and suddenly, you're looking at a major repair. The fix is simple. Flush and refill every 50,000 miles, regardless of what the manual says. For most Lexus models, you'll need about 8 to 10 quarts of genuine pink coolant. Mix it 50-50 with distilled water. Never tap water. The minerals in tap water will cause more corrosion problems down the road. And if you drive a hybrid, don't forget the inverter coolant. It's a separate system with its own reservoir, usually located near the hybrid battery. Same 50,000-mile rule applies. Pro tip: always bleed the cooling system properly after a refill. Lexus engines are prone to air pockets, especially the V8 models. Trapped air leads to hot spots and potential head gasket damage. Number 4. Spark plugs. Timing is everything. Here's something that surprises most Lexus owners: when to change spark plugs. Most people either change them too early or wait too long. Both can cause problems. For most Lexus engines, the correct interval is 100,000 miles. The Iridium plugs in your IS350 or GS460. They're designed to last that long. Change them at 60,000 miles and you're wasting money. Wait until 120,000 miles and you risk damaging the ignition coils. But here's the exception. If your Lexus is over 10 years old, consider changing the plugs, even if you haven't hit the mileage. Why? Because spark plugs can season aluminum heads. I've had plugs snap off in LS460 engines because they hadn't been touched in 15 years. Always use OEM spark plugs. For most Lexus engines, that's Denso or NGK. I've seen people try aftermarket plugs to save $20 per plug, then deal with misfires and rough idle for months. And when you do change them, apply a thin coat of anti-seize compound to the threads. It makes future removal much easier and prevents that seized plug nightmare. The plug change itself takes about an hour if you're handy with tools. 6 plugs at $15 each, plus your time, beats a $400 dealer service. Number 5. Air filter, the engine's lungs. This one's simple, but makes a huge difference. Your Lexus engine needs clean air to run efficiently. A dirty air filter restricts airflow, making the engine work harder and burn more fuel. Replace the engine air filter every 15,000 miles or once a year. In dusty areas like Arizona or Texas, do it twice a year. Most Lexus models have the air filter in a rectangular or round box near the engine. 2 clips. Pull out the old filter. Drop in the new one. Takes 5 minutes, costs $20. Saves you money at the gas pump. And don't forget the cabin air filter. It's usually behind the glove box and filters the air coming into your interior. Change it annually to keep your HVAC system running efficiently and prevent that musty smell. Number 6. Brake system maintenance. Lexus. Brake systems are more complex than regular cars, especially if you have the advanced safety features. Your brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, which leads to corrosion in the ABS system and brake calipers. In luxury cars like Lexus, those components are expensive to replace. Change brake fluid every 3 years, period. Use DOT3 or DOT4 fluid as specified in your manual. The job takes about an hour and costs $80 in fluid. Also, inspect your brake pads regularly. Lexus uses larger, more expensive pads than economy cars, so you want to catch wear early. Most pads need replacement around 40,000 to 60,000 miles, depending on your driving style. And here's a pro tip: when changing brake pads, always bleed the brakes. Don't just push the old fluid back into the system. That dirty fluid can damage sensitive ABS components. Number 7. Power steering. Check your model. Here's something many Lexus owners don't know. Not all models have power steering fluid. Newer Lexus models use electric power steering, which has no fluid to change. But older models, especially trucks like the GX and LX, still use hydraulic systems. If your Lexus has hydraulic power steering, change the fluid every 60,000 miles. Use genuine Lexus power steering fluid, not generic ATF. The seals in Lexus steering systems are designed for specific fluid properties. Check your owner's manual or look under the hood. If you see a small reservoir with power steering fluid markings, you have a hydraulic system. If not, you're electric and can skip this step. Number 8. Differential and transfer case service. If you drive a GXLX or any AWD Lexus model, this one's for you. The differential and transfer case contain gear oil that breaks down over time. This is especially important if you do any towing or off-road driving. Change the differential fluid every 30,000 miles for the first service, then every 60,000 miles after that. Use the correct GL5 rated oil as specified in your manual. For transfer cases and models like the GX470 or LX570, the same schedule applies. Don't use random gear oil from the parts store. Lexus specifies certain viscosities for a reason. The fluid itself costs about $30 per differential, and the job takes an hour. Compare that to a $3,000 differential rebuild. Number 9. Timing belt versus timing chain. Know which one your Lexus has, because the maintenance is completely different. Most modern Lexus engines use timing chains, which last the life of the engine with proper oil changes. But some older V8 models like the 2UZFE and early GX and LX trucks use timing belts. If you have a timing belt, replace it every 90,000 miles. No exceptions. If it breaks, you're looking at bent valves and a destroyed engine. If you have timing chains, just keep up with oil changes. The chains will outlast the rest of the engine if they stay properly lubricated. Check your owner's manual or ask your dealer which system your model uses. This isn't something you want to guess about. Number 10. Serpentine belt inspection. Your serpentine belt drives the alternator, power steering pump, AC compressor, and sometimes the water pump. Inspect it every 60,000 miles. Look for cracks, fraying, or glazing. If you see any of these signs, replace it immediately. Most Lexus models need belt replacement around 100,000 miles. The belt itself costs $30 to $50, and you can often do it yourself with basic tools. If the belt breaks while driving, you'll lose power steering, AC, and possibly engine cooling. Not fun on a hot summer day. Number 11. Battery and electrical system. Lexus vehicles have complex electrical systems that depend on a strong 12-volt battery. Even in hybrid models, the 12-volt battery powers all the computers, lights, and accessories. When it starts to weaken, you'll see strange problems. Flickering lights, sluggish startup sequences, or even error messages. Test your battery every fall, especially after the 3-year mark. A simple multimeter test shows the voltage. Anything below 12.4 volts when the engine is off indicates a weak battery. Replace the battery before it completely dies. A dead battery can cause computer problems that cost hundreds to diagnose and repair. Expect to pay $200 to $300 for a quality replacement battery. It's cheaper than getting towed and dealing with electrical gremlins. Number 12. Fuel system cleaning. Lexus engines use direct injection, which can lead to carbon buildup on the intake valves over time. Every 60,000 miles, consider a professional fuel system cleaning. This removes carbon deposits and keeps the fuel injectors flowing properly. You can also add fuel system cleaner to your gas tank every 10,000 miles. Use a quality cleaner like Chevron Techron or Lexus-approved product. Signs you need cleaning: rough idle, hesitation during acceleration, or reduced fuel economy. Don't wait until problems develop. Number 13. Regular inspections. Set up a monthly inspection routine. Pop the hood and look for oil or coolant leaks, worn belts or hoses, low fluid levels, unusual noises or smells. Catching small problems early prevents expensive repairs later. A $20 hose replacement today saves a $2,000 engine repair tomorrow. Also, pay attention to warning lights. Modern Lexus vehicles have sophisticated diagnostic systems. When a light comes on, Get it scanned immediately. Ignoring it never makes the problem go away. Number 14. Use quality parts. Here's my final rule. Never compromise on parts quality. Genuine Lexus parts are engineered specifically for your vehicle. They fit right, last longer, and maintain your car's reliability. Yes, they cost more up front, but when your goal is 300,000 miles, you can't afford to cut corners. Cheap parts lead to comebacks, and comebacks cost more in the long run. For fluids, filters, and wear items, stick with OEM or equivalent quality. Your Lexus deserves the best, and quality parts ensure it keeps running like the day you bought it. The bottom line? These 14 steps aren't just maintenance tips. They're an investment in your Lexus's future. Follow this schedule religiously, and your luxury sedan or SUV will reward you with hundreds of thousands of smooth, quiet, reliable miles. Skip these steps, and even the best Lexus engine won't make it past 150,000 miles without major problems. The choice is yours. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.